spray on. What's up, Court Crew? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Courtney Jinean. If this is your first time watching me, don't forget to subscribe down below. In today's video, as you saw in the title, I'm going to be recreating Ariana Grande's makeup look from the Rain on Me music video. I am going in with Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Deep to prep my lids for the graphic liner, and then I'm going to just set that concealer with some translucent powder after. The main focus of this look is definitely the iconic white graphic liner, but Ariana also has some black eyeliner on her lids, so I'm just lining my lids with this black eyeliner from e.l.f. I love this applicator, but this liquid liner is not as pigmented and like true black, and it's not matte. So as you can see in the next clip, I'm actually going over the liner with Fly Liner because I'm black by Fenty Beauty, because it just has that matte black that I like. For the iconic white graphic liner, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Vivid Liner in the shade Wet T-Shirts, and I am just trying my best to copy Ariana's iconic look from this music video. Basically, I'm just kind of lining my eye and following the natural creases of my eye. I do have hooded eyes, so I'm just going a bit above my crease, and yeah, it turned out really cute, and I was a bit nervous doing it, but it turned out so cute. So for lashes for this look, I'm going in with my favorite pair of eyelashes. They are the Royal Silk by Kiss, just to make sure that they blend, my natural lashes blend with the false lashes. I am going in with some mascara, and then I am applying the lashes. So I actually did the other eye off camera, and then I applied some mascara to my bottom lashes. For blush, I go in with a really baby pink blush, and that's exactly what you want for this look. After that, I apply highlighter. I'm using LeBron's by Artist Couture. And what I've been doing recently with my highlighter is I've been actually taking the Fenty Beauty Skin Stick in Pearl, and I just apply that to the back of my hand, and then I pick it up with my highlighter brush and apply it over top of that powder highlight. For me, it just makes it seem more skin-like, and it's perfect for those no makeup days, and it's also just really good when you want that kind of wet, kind of skin-like look. So for my lip combo today, I did the absolute most because I was really trying to nail the pinky nude that Ariana had in the video. So I went in with KKW Beauty's Nude 3 Lip Liner to line my lips, and then over top of that I went in with the Stunna Lip Paint by Fenty Beauty in the shade Unbutton. Over top of that, I went in with a Buxom lip gloss in the shade Trixie, and then I went in with a nude type of pink lip gloss from the Fenty Beauty Galaxy collection, which was limited edition, but I really wish they would bring it back. And that is the lip combo for today. set everything in place, I used the Fenty Beauty What It Do refreshing spray, and then I set it all in with my beauty blender, and that is the final look. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one.